Alright, this is lesson 310 and 311, constructing polygons. We're going to construct an equilateral triangle, a square, and a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. You're going to use your protractor and your compass. As I give you directions, I suggest you pause this video and practice these as I give you the directions. Alright, so first of all, we are going to construct an equilateral triangle. Here are the steps. To construct an equilateral triangle, the first thing you're going to do is construct line segment AB. You're going to use this as one side of your equilateral triangle. So what does a line segment AB look like? This is our line segment AB. We're going to use that as one side of our equilateral triangle. Next step is to construct a circle with the point A as the center and a radius AB. Place the point of your compass at A. Open your compass to the width of AB. And then you're going to draw a circle. And it will look something like this. So now that you have your circle, now you're going to pick your compass up. Don't change anything. Place the point on B and draw another circle with the radius AB. The 2 points of intersection of the two circles are equidistant from points A and B, and this is the distance equivalent to line segment AB. So what does this look like? So you placed your point at B, kept it the same distance as when you drew your first circle. So the pencil point should be on A, and you draw a complete circle. Next, we're going to construct the point of the intersection of circle A and circle B and label this point C. So basically, we're just labeling this intersection right here. You could have constructed a point at the bottom of the intersection rather than the top. Either of these points will work, and label them C. We're choosing the top. All right. So now you just construct line segments AC and BC, and ABC is an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. Use your straight edge to connect the points that you drew. And you have completed your equilateral triangle. Now, how do I construct a square? Well, it looks like we start a lot like our equilateral triangle. So we have the picture here. What is the directions for this? We are going to use our straight edge to construct line segment AB. Now, placing our point on A and our pencil at B, we are going to construct a circle with a center A and a radius of line segment AB. You draw a complete circle. This is still looking very familiar. So now we're going to place our point on B, open our pencil to the width of A. We actually don't have to change anything. Draw another circle that has a center point B and a radius of AB. Once you have drawn that, you are going to label the intersections of the circle. Label one C and one D. And then use your straight edge to connect line segment AB to construct line segment AB and line segment CD, and that intersection will be labeled E. Now, placing the point of your compass on E, opening it to width B, you're going to construct a circle that has a radius of EB. And it should pass through A. And now we just label wherever those where it intersects CD as F and where it intersects CD as G. And then we are going to construct line segment FB, BG, GA, and AF. And we have a square. Now we're going to construct a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. First, we construct a line M and place a point on A on line M. So we just construct a line with our straight edge, put point A wherever we feel like it should go. Now we're going to use point A as a center point and open the compass a little bit and construct a circle. So put your pointy end on A, open your compass a little, construct a circle. Leave yourself plenty of line. Alright, the circle will intersect line M in 2 points. We're going to label those points B and C. B, C. We're going to construct a circle with a center at B having the radius AB. So you put point at B, open your compass to A, construct a circle. Then you pick up your compass, point on C, should be already open to A, and construct another circle. So now we have 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we're going to label the points where circle B intersects the circle A as D and E, and the points where circle C intersects circle A as F and G. So we're just labeling those points. And now we're going to create line segments BD, DF, FC, GC, GE, and EB. Basically, we're connecting all these dots, and we have created a hexagon. So, what are the questions on your quiz going to look like? Which definition correctly defines a perpendicular bisector? So, perpendicular bisector bisects a line at the midpoint and is perpendicular to the line segment. So it has to be through the midpoint and also has to be perpendicular. So that would be A. What is the first step in constructing an equilateral triangle? The first step is to construct line segment AB, or construct a line segment. Alright, match the description of the step to constructing an equilateral triangle to the order of that step. So first we construct line segment AB, that is step 1. Let's draw these. Alright, then we are going to construct a circle with point A as the center with a radius of AB. So this is step 2. And then we're going to pick up our compass and use point B as the center and construct a circle with radius AB. That's step 3. And then we're going to construct a point at the intersection of circle A and circle B and label this point C. That is step 4. Then we connect those up. I got all mixed up. Hang on. This is C. This is D. So really 1, 2, 3, 4. And step 5 is connecting those dots. Andrew drew the following figure with a compass and a straight edge. What is Andrew constructing? Well, it could be a triangle because it has 2 circles, but because we see this perpendicular bisector, we know this is a square. How many circles are drawn to construct an equilateral triangle? 2. Keep letting me draw. Sorry. It's 2. All right, what is the first step in constructing a regular hexagon? Use your straight edge to draw a line. Still not let me. A line and label point A. Descriptions for the steps for constructing a regular hexagon. We're going to put them in order, and I'm just going to use the numbers this time. It makes life so much easier. So first we construct line in with point A on the line. That is the first step, or A. And then we construct a circle with the center at A. That is step 2. It's going to intersect the line at 2 places. We label those B and C, so that is step 3. And then we construct a circle with its center at B, radius AB, circle at C, radius AC. That is step 4. Which figure is being constructed below? This is a regular hexagon. And last one. How many circles are drawn to construct a square? That is also 2.